What's going on YouTube? It's Bryce.
And Jessica.
And today we're back with another reaction video for you guys. This is what will happen to you in the microwave.
You'll burn up.
So we're about to find out. This is another one of those short cartoon videos. Just like it's only like a minute and a half long, but we're just going to see what happens if you get in the microwave.
They're entertaining. They're like facts, but they're like, why do you need to know what will happen to you if you're in a microwave?
Just, just for fun. So we're going to check it out. Link will be in the description down below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow our Instagram.
And if you subscribe at 1,000 subscribers, I will be shaving Bryce's head if we can get it by Halloween.
Yep.
We're at 600. Let's do this thing, guys.
Yeah, and we just got like 50 just yesterday, so it's definitely possible if we keep doing like that. So
let's go.
Let's get into the video.
Meet Arnold. He's wet. How would you dry him off quickly? We have an idea. How you doing, Arnold? Are you warm? Here we have a home microwave oven, so it only warms a couple of centimeters deep. Your internal organs are safe, but your skin starts to heat up. Suddenly it turns dark. Your retinas burn. But don't worry, we'll be your eyes for you and tell you what happens next. Your blood begins to curdle at a temperature of 107.6 degrees Fahrenheit. You literally cook from the inside out. Here, take this. But there's good news. Do you remember how warm and pleasant you felt at first? Your skin continued warming up all this time, and at some point you received a 100% body burn and died from the painful shock. Can you see how dangerous it is to dry off in a microwave oven? That's for sure. Alas, you cannot see. But your clothes are dry. Look, you're so warm that the heat dried and pressed your clothes. Put your finger up if you like this video, send it to your friends, and subscribe to my channel. There are many more exciting experiments coming with our friend Arnold.
Insane.
I should pause.
Let's cut this out then.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Well, that was absolutely insane. You could your whole body just gets cooked up.
I just didn't think it'd be that serious.
You're getting microwaved.
I know.
Dude, what is that? I don't know. Okay, just get off the screen. That's disgusting. But anyways, yeah, I don't know. That was pretty crazy. If you do enjoy those videos, though, we did 2 other ones. What if you jump?